Once you're done making the magic circle, you're going to make 8 half double crochets inside the magic circle. How you're going to do that is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook through the magic circle, yarn over once again, pull the yarn back through the circle. There'll be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once again and pull your yarn through the 3 loops. Once again, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook through the yarn, through the circle, yarn over again, pull it back, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and yarn through the 3 loops. So for the second row, you're going to chain 2 first, and then you're going to increase into every second stitch. So here I'm doing 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, a second half double crochet into the second stitch, and inside that same stitch I'm going to do 1 more half double crochet. So every second stitch you're going to place 2 half double crochets. done making the red portion of my hat, and I wanted to make a hat which was 23 inches in measurement. So it took me about increasing in every 11th stitch to reach that measurement. And my hat currently measures about 16 inches in height. So the red portion of the hat will be 16 inches in height, and to this we'll add the brim section. So for your brim, you're going to attach your fur yarn, and you're going to do a single crochet in each stitch across the hat, and you're going to continue making these rows till you reach about 1.5 to 2 inches in height. Okay, so I've completed making one row of SC. Now I'm going to chain one, and I'm going to keep making rows of single crochet till I reach that desired length of 2 inches. I'm done making the brim of the hat, which is 1.5 inches in height. I'm now going to fasten off the yarn and weave in the ends. We're now going to make the pom-pom for the hat, for which you're going to take your fur yarn and wrap it around your 4 fingers, like so. Keep doing this till you reach a thick enough ball of yarn around your fingers. You're going to keep doing this till it's thick enough. After that, you're going to use that same strand of yarn and wrap it around the ball of yarn that you have made and tie a tight knot. I've now cut an additional strand of yarn, and I'm going to tie it in the middle around the ball of yarn that I have made in order to make it extra secure. Repeat this process and do it about 4 to 5 times and tie it extremely tight around your ball of yarn. Now you're going to grab a pair of scissors and insert it on one end of the yarn ball that you made and cut across the yarn ball. You're going to repeat the same process on the other end of the yarn ball and cut across. After which you will have a pom-pom ready. You can trim off any excess yarn in order to shape it into a better circle if you wish to do so. I'm now going to insert my hook under the place where I tied the yarn across the yarn ball and attach my yarn through it. Pull your yarn through it all the way so that you have 2 strands of yarn available to attach it to your main hat. Tie the 2 ends together tight in order to keep it secure and so that the pom-pom does not fall off your strands of yarn. You're now going to insert your yarn through a darning needle. After which you're going to insert the darning needle through the top of your hat and pull it through all the way. Adjust the pom-pom at the top of your hat to ensure that you like the position that you're attaching it in. I've now turned the hat inside out just so that it's easier for me to work with. Ensure that you're holding your yarn tight at all times and weave in the yarn around the hat, inside of the hat.